In today's video, I am going to teach you how to have private content in Pandadoc until a signature is completed. This is useful when your document includes sensitive details that you want to keep hidden until the recipient has signed. Instead of sending a separate follow-up message, you can control visibility right inside Pandadoc by using conditional content tied to a signature field. Start by opening the document you want to edit in Pandadoc. Once the document is open, go to the Insert option. In the right sidebar, choose Variables or the Text field option, depending on what you are adding. This is the area where you can insert dynamic items and fields that recipients interact with, like signatures and text entries. Take a moment to confirm your signature field is already in the document, because the condition you set later will rely on that field. Next, take the sensitive text you want to protect and place it inside a conditional content block. The key here is that only the content inside that conditional block will be controlled by the rule you set. Make sure you include exactly what you want hidden and nothing else, so the rest of the document remains visible and easy to review. After the content is inside the conditional block, click Conditions. Then choose Add Rule. When you are selecting what the rule should be based on, select the Signature field. This connects the visibility of your private content to the signing action, which is what makes this setup work. Now set the rule to Show if completed. Then select your signer. This is important when there are multiple recipients, because you want the content to appear only after the correct person completes their signature field. Before you send anything, preview the document to verify the behavior. In the preview, you should see that the conditional content stays hidden until the signature is completed. This quick check helps you avoid exposing sensitive details by mistake. Once everything looks right, send the document as you normally would. That covers everything you need to know.